Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 21 October 2021. So today topic is why string is immutable. So why string is immutable? Firstly, we see that what is immutable. Immutable means unchangeable. If we want to change something, then we cannot change into that. So same thing for the string. If we want or need to change some string, then we cannot change it directly, but we can create a new object, and that object change that value, and that value passed by the new object. So for example, we take the one string which is a welcome, and that string we want to change welcome in Java. So that time we cannot change into it directly. We can create another new object, and that object we pass we pass the value which is a welcome in Java. So that's why we are creating the new object, and that new object pass their new value. Then then we will create the object of the new string. Then it's allocating the memory at string constant pool or the string pool and into the heap area. So that when we creating the new object, that time JVM firstly check if the already object or string is exist, so it's pass their reference only, not creating the object. So when we creating the string literal, so string literal present into the string constant pool only. That's creating or allocating the memory into the string constant pool only, not to the heap area. So when we creating the new object, it's only creating the object into a heap area, not to the ACP. It's only when we want to access the object of the ACP, object of the string constant pool, which is present into the string constant pool. So that time we can use the intern method. So for example, we will take one example which is a person. So person example, we will take person into class person will pass the string string city equals to new string Mumbai. So again we pass another object which is the string city 2 equals to new string equals to Mumbai. So that time it's not creating the two object because why it's not creating the two object? Because two reference variable which is point to the only one object value. So that time it's checked by the JVM. If the two reference check only the point only of one object value, so that time it's pass their reference, not creating another object. So such thing we pass the n number of person which is, and that person city is the same, pointing to the Mumbai. So that time new string object pass there only the reference, not creating the n number of object into the string constant pool or the heap memory. So that's why it's a memory management of the string. Then into that person we creating another new person, and that new person which is city is a Delhi, and then we pass their Delhi city. So if we change into the old string which is a Mumbai to Delhi, so it's effect on all reference variable, so which is not good for the coding. So it's creating the new object, and which is refer by the only new reference value. So which is so person 4 which is point to the Delhi, and again we create the another person which is a person 5 which is pointing again Delhi. So that time the person 5 pointing to that reference, that object value, not creating another Delhi object. So it is the change of the string is immutable. Why string is immutable? If we pass the old value, is impact on all object value. So that's why we create another new object and pass their value. So we are not changing to the all value or all reference value. So it's used into the Gmail or company drives, because when we pass when n number of person only point to the one city, so that time this object creation is useful. It's not creating the n number of object into that time. So it's this time this method is useful for the implementation. So that's why the string is immutable. Thank you.